Hi everybody, it's Jen with Caketastic Cakes, and I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, very beginner level butterfly out of gum paste. And if you see me use any tools or supplies in this video that you could use yourself, check the link in the description below. It takes you to my Amazon shop. It'll help you out. Helps me out too. Now I've got just two colors of gum paste. I have a pink and a purple, obviously. Use whatever colors, even a single color that you want. And I have heart-shaped molds there that you see. It's just a little cookie cutter set I picked up, I want to say from like the dollar store or something, very cheap, nothing fancy. But those hearts are going to be my wings. And I spread the pink out as you saw. I put some strips of purple in, and now I'm just kind of folding and twisting it a little bit, and that will marble the color. And again, you don't even have to do this if you're uncomfortable with this part right here, but this way you get a little bit more color in. And yeah, it's like I said, very beginner, very easy to handle. Make two little hearts and you've got a pair of wings, okay? So there you go. Just be careful picking them up if you have longer fingernails. You don't want to put fingernail prints into your wings. Now, using gum paste, you could also use fondant if you added Tylose powder to it. You can't use straight up fondant with this. I set them on a paper towel and let them dry. They're very thin, so maybe it took an hour, 2 hours. Like it didn't take very long at all. And just make sure you have an even number there. I ended up with 4 pairs of wings. I only used 3 for the cake that you'll see at the end. But this is some of the purple that I had left over. I'm going to make the bodies of the butterfly out of. I'm going to, as you can see, roll it out so it's tapered at either end, cut off maybe a third of it. That's my butterfly body. Now I'm going to take it a little bit further. You don't even have to. I'm going to use the back of my knife blade right here in order to make impressions on it, to make like the segmented bodies of the butterfly. I did it the same thing on the other end. As you can see right there, going to use my knife again to just put little lines into it, little impressions to make it look like it's segmented. La-di-da, very fancy. One more time. Actually, I did it again. I took what was left and rolled it so it was tapered at each end and then made 2 more bodies out of it. And I'm using this little tool, you don't have to make 2 impressions for the eyes. Now I'm going back with my edible food coloring marker and just coloring in little black dots inside those sockets that I made. I did put sockets on all of the bodies, I just didn't show it, so I apologize, but you can get the idea. You don't even have to do that part. You could just leave it just bodies. You could use, if you don't have the edible food coloring markers, just use your pink gum paste. If you have any of the pink left, just touch a little water to connect it and you're good. Now to put it on your cake, again, nothing fancy here. I've got some icing that anchors the body. I'm going to put a little bit of icing, a blob of icing on either side of the butterfly, and this is where the heart design comes in handy because now we have anchors. Just stab your cake with your hearts on either side of the body, and boom, you've got yourself a butterfly on your cake. There's another one on the side there too. So I put 3 butterflies on here, and if you stick the wings into the cake and the little blob of icing comes up, just get a toothpick and scrape it out, and it will look perfect. It's basic, it's very simple, anyone can handle this, and it just makes your cake look a little prettier. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. I've got a ton of other cake decorating videos, cake baking videos out there, so be sure to take a look for beginners especially. And as always, thanks for watching Caketastic Cakes.